Today in Tech Time, doing your own graphic design. Technology consultant Francie Black is here to show us a new app that can help you create a logo for your business, team, or group. This is something very important. A logo can really set you apart.
It does. It completely builds your brand, builds your identity. And so this is a really inexpensive way to do it, so much that it can be free.
Okay, because if you hire a graphic designer to do it,
you're paying a lot of money.
You're going to be paying a lot.
Right, and the most expensive if you want to trademark it is $40, and I'll show you that.
Okay.
So it's really simple. That's the other point too, is that these are complex things that are made super simple. So the way that this works, the name of this app, and this is a web-based app. There is a mobile version. The mobile version is not as flexible or doable as this version.
Well,
so we're on the web.
See it big screen, I think, too.
Exactly. So it's called designevo, okay? And what you do is you go into any of their categories, and they have all kinds of templates. So animal and pet, art and entertainment, business and finance, childcare, whatever. We're going to look at food and drink. So you can scroll through, you can see they have beautiful designs, okay? And I'm going to pick one. So we're going to pretend that we are selling cupcakes, and we're going to call this Yum Yum Cakes. And then our slogan is going to be beautiful and delicious. All right. And so we already have a basic logo, okay? So we can go in and we can do things like change the fonts to meet our style and simple things like that. Let me decrease that font size a little bit. That extended it out a little too far, so let's go, okay, something like that. And then let's change the color of it. You can see how easy it is to grab these tools and just do this very, very quickly and easily. Now, I'm going to go in here, I'm going to do a couple more things, and notice you can change, so maybe pink isn't your theme, so you can go up here and change any of your themes. Okay, so I'm going to just make this pop a little bit more before we do a couple of, I want that bright red, okay, and then I want that cherry to be bright red to match our text, and so we make it pop a little bit more. Now, just to show you how easy this is, you can go up here to layout, okay, I'm up here, and watch this. This is really cool. So maybe you don't want it sideways and you want it to be laid out like on top. Okay. And you can just tap through these and get different layouts in a flash. Okay. Now, last thing I'm going to show you here is if you click on your Yum Gum Cakes, and you can do bolds and fonts and outlines in just like a couple of taps. But you can even do cool things like this. Okay. So watch. I'm going to click on curve and watch my text. Oops. Don't have it selected correctly. Thinks I'm editing my text. There we go. Okay. And I actually want to turn it the other way, so let's swap it and go the other way. Yum Yum Cakes. All right. And then we've got a great looking logo in literally a matter of seconds. Now, what you can do too is if you go up here to preview, is you can see what it looks like on business cards.
Oh, that's a nice feature.
Look at this on a shirt. Does that look great or what?
I love it. All right, and this app is free?
Yep, and this app is free, and if you download it, if you want the higher resolution version, then you pay $40, and it's you can trademark it. I'll send all that information out on iPadiswisdom.com, and don't forget real quick on the educational forum tomorrow on cryptocurrency, I'll be sending that out as well.
All right. And again, all the information at TechTime on WLOS.com. We'll be right back.